स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैंने डिजिटल में डिवाइड का मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवाइड ये सब वर्ड प्रॉब्लम में समझाऊंगी। ओके, पहले डिजिटल में समझ लो, फिर बाद में मैंने अलग क्लास लेकर समझाऊंगी। ओके,
Chapter 14 Smart Charts. Introduction. All of us enjoy watching TV or listening to the radio. How much time do we spend on this? Here is a boy named Raju who watches TV every day for 1 hour. How much time does he spend in watching TV in a week? There are 7 days in a week, and Raju watches TV for only 1 hour every day. So, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. Hence, in a week, he spends 7 hours in watching TV. How much time does he spend in a month? We know 1 month is equal to 30 days. The time spent on watching TV every day is 1 hour. So, multiplying 30 by 1, we get 30 hours. Thus, he spends 30 hours in a month on watching TV. Example. Here, the information from your friends about the time spent in a week on watching TV is collected and presented in a tabular form. Observe the table and answer the questions. There are 2 columns in the table. In the first column, the information about how many hours they watch TV or listen to the radio in a week is given. And in the second column, the number of children watching TV or listening to radio is given. In a week, watching TV or listening to the radio for more than 6 hours, the number of children is 8. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 6 hours in a week is 9. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 5 hours in a week is 11. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 4 hours in a week is 13. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 3 hours in a week is 10. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 2 hours is 7. The number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 1 hour is 4. And the number of children watching TV or listening to the radio for 0 hours, that is, the children who do not watch TV at all, is 1. Now, from the table, answer the questions given here. Watching TV or listening to the radio. 1. 8 children spend more than 6 hours in a week. 2. 1 child spends no time at all. 3. Most children spend 4 hours in a week. 4. 41 children spend more than 3 hours. How did we get this answer? 41. Let's understand. More than 3 hours means 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours and more than 6 hours. So, If we add the number of children who watch TV or listen to the radio for more than 3 hours, that is 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 8, we get the answer 41. Which program? There are different types of programs on TV or radio, such as cartoons, news, sports, music and entertainment, etc. Julie's father likes to watch serials. Her mother likes sports, while Julie likes news programs. Example: a table showing the information about one program liked by the members of a family and one program disliked by them is given here. From this table, let us find the answers of the given questions. There are 3 columns in the table. The family members are given in the first column. In the second column, the programs they like. And in the third column, the programs they dislike are given. The mother likes watching serials and dislikes news. The father likes news programs and dislikes serials. The elder brother likes watching films and does not like news. The younger sister loves cartoons and does not like watching news. The grandfather likes religious programs and dislikes films. The uncle likes sports programs and dislikes serials. Question 1. What kind of programs do the most family members like? Solution. Most of the family members like religious programs. 2. What kind of program is disliked by the most family members? Solution. Most of the family members dislike news programs. Example. The information about the programs liked and disliked by 20 children is gathered and presented here in a table. Observe the table and answer the questions. News program is liked by 4 children and disliked by 16 children. Serials are liked by 8 children and disliked by 12 children. 17 children like cartoons and 3 children do not like cartoons. Comedy show. 14 children like it and 6 children dislike it. Sports. 13 children like sports programs and 7 children dislike sports. The first question is, which kind of program is liked by most children? Solution. Most of the children like cartoon programs. 2. Which kind of program is disliked by the least number of children? Solution. The cartoon program is disliked by the least number of children. 3. How many children like sports programs? Solution. 13 children like sports programs. 4. Is there any kind of program not liked by anyone? Yes or no? If yes, then which one? Solution. No. There is no such program. Who is my friend? I have a friend with me always, in the nights and through the days. When I run, he runs with me. Sometimes I lead, sometimes he. When it's dark, he can't be seen. Do you know which friend I mean? Read the poem carefully and answer these questions. A. Which word comes most often in the poem? Solution. The word I comes most often in the poem. B. Which letter has been used the most? Solution. The letter E has been used the most. C. Which letter comes the least? Solution. The letters G and K come the least. Self-study. Take a paragraph you like from your language textbook. Read it carefully and find out A. Which word comes most often? How many times? B. Which word comes least often? C. Which letter has been used most often? D. Which letter has been used least often? Food we eat. Children were talking about what things they eat in the morning. Made of rice, wheat, maize, barley, etc. Vinay says, I eat rice and things made from rice. Vikas says, I eat chapatis made from wheat. Reshma says, but I eat rotis made from maize. Pinky says, I like to drink sattu made from barley. Suresh says, my favorite is porridge made from ragi. This table has been completed by collecting the information from the classmates. Observe the table and answer. There are two columns in the table. In the first column, main food, and in the second column, the number of children consuming the food are given. The number of children eating rice is 6. The number of children eating wheat is 32. The number of children eating bajra is 13. The number of children who consume maize is 2. The number of children who eat jawar is 1. And the number of children who consume ragi is 1. 1. Most children eat food made from wheat. 2. Compare the number of children who eat rice with the number of children who eat wheat. Is it more, less, or equal? Solution. More. That is, the number of children who eat wheat is more than the number of children who eat rice. 3. Compared to those who eat wheat, children eating ragi are more or less? Solution. Less. That is, the children eating ragi are less than those eating wheat. Preparing for the class drama. All the children of a class are preparing for a drama. Some children are acting. Some are busy collecting the dresses. Some are bringing tables and chairs to make the sets. Here the symbol triangle is shown, which indicates 3 children. The drama chart is shown here. On one side, the number of children, and on the other side, various activities such as acting, collecting dresses, playing music, making the sets are shown. From this chart, answer the given questions. How many children are acting in the drama? Solution. For acting, 3 triangles are drawn. 1 triangle means 3 children. Therefore, 3 triangles mean 9 children. Hence, 9 children are acting in the drama. B. Which are more? Children making the sets or those acting? Solution. The number of children acting is more since their number is 9, while that making the sets is 6. C. What is being done by most of the children? Solution. Most of the children are playing music since the most number of triangles are shown there. D. How many children are collecting dresses? Solution. 6 children are collecting dresses. Whose head is bigger? Activity. Find out whose head is bigger. Material required: a pair of scissors, a waste paper sheet, and 1 big paper sheet. Cut long paper strips from the waste paper. Give 1 strip to each of your friends. Now, wrap the paper strip around your head like this and tear off the extra strip. On a big sheet, paste these paper strips along a line. See, some children had pasted their strips and made a chart that looks like this. You also make a chart which should look like this. Now, using the scale, find out the length of each strip. The length of the longest strip is 50 centimeters. That means Madhu's head is the biggest. The smallest strip is 37 centimeters long. It belongs to Rohit. Chapati chart, pie chart. All the children of a school take part in different clubs. As shown in the picture, some children take part in the garden club, while some have taken part in the games club and the drawing club. Here, the number of children participating in different clubs is shown in the chapati chart, that is, a pie chart. From this chart, we can see that half of the children in the class take part in the games club. 1/4 of the children are members of the garden club. The drawing club also has 1/4 of the children of the class. Example. If there are 200 students in the school, look at the chapati chart and tell the number of members in each club. Solution. Here, the number of children in the games club is half the total number of children in the school. Therefore, if there are 200 students in the school, then half of it is 200 upon 2, that is equal to 100. So, the number of children in the games club is 100. 1/4 of the children are members of the garden club. So, multiply 200 by 1 upon 4, we get 50. Hence, the garden club has 50 members. Similarly, to find the number of children in the drawing club, multiply the total number of students, which is 200 by 1 upon 4. We get 50. Hence, there are 50 members in the drawing club. Getting wet in the rain. Who likes to get wet in the rain? A child made this chapati chart after asking his friends. The children who like to get wet in the rain and those who do not like to get wet in the rain are shown in this chart here. See the chapati chart and tell How many children like to get wet in the rain? A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. C. 3/4. Next question. How many children do not like to get wet in the rain? A. Half. B. 1/4. C. 3/4. Solution. B. 1/4. 3. If the number of children in the class is 28, then tell the number of children 1. Who like to get wet in the rain. 2. Who do not like to get wet in the rain. Solution. Here, the total number of children is 28. 3/4 of the children like to get wet in the rain. To find 3/4 of 28, multiply 28 by 3 upon 4. The answer obtained is 21. So, 21 children like to get wet in the rain. Now, the number of children who do not like to get wet in the rain is 1/4 of the total number. So, we need to find 1/4 of 28. So, 28 into 1 upon 4 is equal to 7. Thus, 7 children do not like to get wet in the rain. Tea, coffee or milk? Some children were asked which of these they like the most. Tea, coffee or milk? There are 2 columns in the table shown here. The first column is the drink they like, that is tea, coffee or milk. And the second column shows the number of children. From the table, we can say that the children who like milk is 20. The number of children who like coffee is 10. And the number of children who like tea is 10. To find the total number of children, add the number of children who like milk, coffee and tea. That is 20 plus 10 plus 10. That is equal to 40. So, the total number of children is 40. Find out from the table. Children who like milk are half or 1/4 of the total children. Solution. Half. Since the total number of children is 40, and if we multiply 40 by 1 upon 2, we get 20, which indicates the number of children who like milk. Second question. The children who like coffee are half or 1/4 of the total children. Solution. 1/4. Since the total number of children is 40, and if 40 is multiplied by 1 upon 4, we get 10, which indicates the number of children who like coffee. Chapter 11. Tables and shapes. Introduction. Shyama's garden. Shyama has planted sunflower, rose and marigold plants in her garden. She has planted them in 3 flower beds. Turn the jars in the self-study. Which two tables will you use for writing the table of 12? How many cats? Some of Gayatri's cats were playing in a box. When she tried to count them, she could see only their legs. She counted 28 legs. How many cats are there in the box? One cat has 4 legs. Gayatri says 8 legs means 2 cats. 12 legs means 3 cats. A table is given here. In the first row, the number of legs 4, 8, 12 and 4 empty boxes are given.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज मैंने यहाँ तक कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. नेक्स्ट डे फिर नेक्स्ट कराऊंगी. ओके.